The corrosion is deep here. Scan the structural joints near the eye. Noted.
The intake manifold is badly corroded.
Check the substruts of the upper canine.
Yes, they're frozen solid. The corrosion is extensive here.
Examine the suspension components. They're frozen solid.
Be careful with that, it's brittle. The chassis rails are heavily corroded. I'm seeing a lot of structural damage here. Ugh. We need to reinforce these joints immediately. All right, team, secure the forward lift points.
On it, boss!
Watch the rust integrity. All right, team, secure the platform.
Copy that. Adjusting the stabilizers now.
Check the heat lamps, melt that ice. The rust is extensive on the grille, but the engine bay looks stable. Copy. Ready to test the pressure washer.
The pressure on line 3 looks good.
Affirmative, leader!
The jets are starting.
Looks like we're finally breaking through that thick grime.
Keep those streams steady.
Noted.
Keep focusing on those recessed areas. We need to clear all the corrosion.
Copy that.
Increasing pressure on the wiring? Good. Watch the drain. It's clearing up nicely.
The corrosion is worse than anticipated.
The water pressure seems effective, but the metal is weak.
Focus on the dents and
Keep the pressure even. Focus on the armored plates.
Copy that.
Check the jaw. Looks like a tough spot there.
Working on it now.
The brushes are making good progress. Keep them steady.
Affirmative, ma'am. Systems are holding pressure.
Excellent. I want this section pristine by nightfall. Keep focusing on that suspension. Copy that. Good work. Now move to the central frame. All right. Keep the pressure steady on that seam.
It's showing significant stress.
Focus on removing the rest of the grime, and we need to see the extent of the rust.
Keep it steady there, team. Just a bit more on the lower jaw.
Pressure is good, almost through this tough patch.
Excellent. I'll check the seal here. Excellent. Focus on that structural beam.
Copy that. Getting it now.
Ensure all connections are secure. Check the tension on the main line. Verified. Proceed slowly.
Keep it steady, watching the mounting points.
Right, tracking it. Clear below.
Just a bit higher, confirm the connections are free.
Secure that connection. Check the tension.
Affirmative, tension secure. Electricals are cut.
Copy that. Moving to assess the mounts. Keep it steady.
The primary structural damage is here, near the exhaust manifold.
It's worse than we thought.
We'll need a full removal and chemical soak. This hose is completely shot, replace it.
Copy that.
And carefully with these wires, they're corroded. Secure the forward mounts, check the torque.
It's aligned.
Begin the tension test, slow and steady. Keep it steady, slowly now. Clear the way. Watch the clearance. Stop, hold it right there.
Keep it steady. Slowly. Copy that. Moving slowly. Adjust the angle slightly. Done. Lower it down now.
Keep it steady, guide it in. Okay, lower it down now.
Clear.
Secure the mounts first, then start on the filter. The pipe here is cracked. We'll need a new one. Get the sonic cleaners ready for the valves.
Copy that. Getting them now.
Begin the corrosion removal process on the main block.
Keep it steady. Lower slowly.
The initial reaction is stable.
Monitor the pH and flow rate. Let's start the cycle.
Looks good. Transfer it to the bench. Careful, it's heavy. Beginning the cleaning process now. The seals are tight. Let's check the manifold sensors one last time. All systems are reading green, Commander. Ready for installation.
Ensure we clear all surface rust before evaluating the depth.
Affirmative.
Check the load-bearing joints on the rear axle against the schematics.
Ensure the integrity of the surrounding structure.
Understood. Slow and steady.
Check the tension on the hoist. Keep it steady, center it now.
Looks good. Lock it in position.
Clamp it down, secure the joins. Perfect fit, moving to the next section.
The weld is good here. Now move to the cross member.
Roger that.
And verify the torque settings before you install the hydraulic line.
Ensure the bolts are fully loosened before lowering it.
Right, coming down slowly.
Check that connection point carefully.
Line up the shocks with the mounting pins.
The clearance looks good, leader.
Secure the bolts, maximum torque.
Done. Solid.
All right, team, proceed with the pneumatic lift. Careful with those corroded rims. Engaging lift now. Slow into the stand. Keep working on this section. Copy that. Ensure these angles are perfect. Check the pressure, it's slightly off. We need to seat this one perfectly.
Understood.
Excellent. Let's start with the front axles now.
Keep it steady. Slowly. Easy now. Down a bit more. Stop. Settled.
Cut right along that seam, carefully.
Okay, boss.
That's it, lower it slow. All right, check the stability here. Good work.
The alignment looks good. Clamp it down securely, team. We are restoring it to its original form.
The alignment looks good here. Tighten those bolts.
Right away.
Secure the jaw panels next. Ensure the optics are centered.
Check the alignment of the framework. Affirmative, adjusting now. Secure the bolts on both ears. Completed. Everything looks stable.
Keep it precise. That fits perfectly.
Hold it steady.
Just a little tighter now. Perfection.
Secure the frame with the 1/4-inch bolts. Then, reattach the wiring loom to the right eye.
Roger that.
Careful with the detailing around the brow. Keep it clean.
The alignment is perfect now,
Yes, leader.
and the teeth are secure. Excellent work, team. The structural restoration is complete.
Exceptional work, leader.
The mechanical identity is perfect.
Carefully brush around the panel edges.
On it.
And vacuum that debris into the designated container, please.
The floor looks much better. Move to the ceiling, please. Copy that. Check the vents for residue. The stress points seem strong, but let's double check the integration here.
We've reinforced all critical areas, leader.
Perfect. Make sure the alignment of the new panel is exact. Tables. Slow and steady. Clear the door.
Be careful with that wiring loom. It's brittle. Roger that.
I'm logging this module's condition.
Main systems online.
Confirmed. Testing instruments.
Power transfer successful.
Solid connections.
Looks good.
Powering up now?
Confirmation? Perfect. The primary systems are showing green. Good. Let's run a full diagnostics loop. Initiating now.
The corrosion here is extensive.
Check the structural integrity near the seam.
Looks like we'll need heavy patching on the roof.
Keep the cut steady, avoid the braces.
Right on it. The framework looks solid beneath this rust.
Good. Take that panel down. Let's inspect the subframe.
The alignment looks precise. Keep up the good work.
Copy that, boss. Final pass on this section.
Keep grinding, the seams need to be perfect.
Understood.
That's it, perfection. Excellent work.
All right, team. Let's get this cargo bay stripped.
Roger that. We're starting on the north wall.
Debris coming out.
Keep the pressure consistent on that seam.
Copy, boss.
Almost done with this section.
The cargo body is complete. Focus on the cab now. Yes, leader. We'll start on the lower mandible. Excellent. The welds are perfectly smooth. We are ready for paint.
Excellent work. The transitions are clean. Looks perfect, leader. The suspension looks perfect.
Understood.
Move up to the cab. Ensure all the details are clear.
Done.
The wolf's head is clean. Check the box. Looks ready for primer.
Keep the lines straight on the fur details.
Yes, leader.
Check the headlight coverage again.
Confirming.
Perfect. The wheels look good.
Keep the pressure steady. We want that uniform coat. Got it. Looks good here. Ensure the suspension repairs are completely covered.
На каквото дей годили страмени цеприны программе, мет босс ну сошит короте тена промакой, да кой можно сдать все свой. Делим раздрено мастера стелы.
Keep it even on the jawline. We're focusing on a smooth finish here. Check the vent pressure, please. The second coat is going on flawlessly. Good work, everyone.
Perfect fit.
Impressive work, team.
Ready for final systems check.
Keep the accents subtle on the muzzle.
Got it.
Perfect. Take 5, team. Okay, slowly. Line it up with the mounts. Adjust the angle slightly. Perfect. Lower it down now. Gently now. Keep it straight. Just a little to the left. Stop. Perfect. Down slow. Good. Secure it. Keep adjusting. It's not flush yet.
Got it.
Perfect. Finish tightening now.
It's in.
Good. Let's move to the next phase. Lower it slowly, just a fraction. Got it.
Looks good on this side.
Stop. Perfect alignment. Lock it down. Secure the fuel line connector.
Right, boss.
Check the electrical harnesses.
Right.
All right, connect the cooling system now.
Done.
Perfect. It's ready to go. Check the main line.
Connected. Powering up now.
Eyes glowing. Perfect. Torquing to spec.
Looks good.
Final alignment check. Verified.
Secure.
All clear.
Final checks on the hydraulic lines and engine manifold. Confirm all systems green. Systems conform green.
Systems are all green.
Bring the headlamps to full. All right, bring it out. Looks good, steady. Perfect. Perfect. Amazing work.